In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Calendar public and share its link. We'll walk through turning a calendar from private to public and grabbing the link you can share or embed. I'll also explain what each visibility option means so you can choose the right level of detail. This works best on a desktop browser. Start by opening calendar.google.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar under My Calendars. Find the calendar you want to make public. If you have several, take a moment to pick the correct one, especially if you use separate calendars for work, personal events, or a team schedule. Hover your mouse over that calendar's name to reveal the three-dot options icon. Click it, then choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the specific settings page for that calendar. Scroll down to the section called Access Permissions for Events. Here's where you control public access. Check the box labeled Make Available to Public. A confirmation may appear to remind you that public calendars can be visible to anyone and may be indexed by search engines. Confirm to proceed. Now, choose the visibility level. If you select See All Event Details, anyone with access can view full information such as titles, times, locations, and descriptions. This is ideal for public events, class schedules, or community calendars where complete details are helpful. If you prefer to keep the specifics private while still showing your availability, choose See Only Free/Busy. With this option, people will only see when you're booked or available, with no event titles or details exposed. A quick note: if you're using an organizational account, your administrator may restrict public sharing. If you don't see the Make Available to Public option, you may need to contact your admin or use a personal account for public calendars. If you want a shareable link, scroll further to the Integrate Calendar section. Look for public URL to this calendar and copy it. You can paste this link into emails, posts, or messages so others can view the calendar in a browser. If you manage a website, you can also embed the calendar by using the tools provided in that same section, which many site builders support. That's it. You've opened the settings, enabled public access with the right visibility, and grabbed the public link. If you change your mind later, return to Access Permissions for Events